Do you hate losing money? I know I do. This week I had 4 winning trades and 4 losing trades. The losing trades, I moved my stops and the losses became bigger and bigger. I just didn't want to lose. So I just didn't want to get rid of my losers. In this video, I'm going to show you a couple examples of the bad trades I made and the results. I'm also going to show you that if I just stuck to one thing, yes, my trading plan, everything would have been okay. Do you know that many new traders always enter a trade thinking they're going to win, but that doesn't always happen. And when it doesn't, it can be very painful. Getting out of your losses and getting away from a loser is very difficult to do. Do you see people all around you making money? Are you watching YouTube videos where they're taking $10 and turning it into $2 million in 6 weeks? You can kind of develop an expectation that you're going to always win. So the first mistake I made this week was holding to my losers too long. And the second one is not wanting to lose any money. Here's an example of holding my losers too long every one of my stocks. Here's an example of holding too long. I bought here and got out about right here. Then I thought it was going to go down and place a short right here. Immediately, it started shooting on up, and I'm still holding it for around the $400. Here's an example of my trade plan. I do this for every stock. I open short, the date, the price, the target price, the stop, and how many shares I'm going to buy, and my expected profit and loss. Now, if you just only follow that plan. By the way, I'm taking my profit at 3% and my loss at 2%. I use the other methods for setting my stops and target price, but I've tested out the strategy of using percentages, and it works for for a small account. Do you love money? Do you hate to lose it? This brings us to mistake number 2 that I made this week. I became too emotional about my trade. I was too afraid of losing my money. The thought of making money is all too important. And then the fact that you might be losing it becomes intolerable and very stressful. Here's an example. This week, I had 3 back-to-back losers in a row. Here's one example. After having a win, this is FANG, Diamondback Energy. It's an energy company, and all energy companies have been very erratic. This one was going up and then down, and I successfully shorted and had a win right here. And this was based on the RSI. Usually the RSI signal lasts a few days, and I decided to take it again right here, another short. But the next day went back up and has not looked back since. So ideally I would have been stopped out approximately there, and just a rough, but I moved my stop up and ended up losing approximately $100, just shy of 100. But I had a total of 3 back-to-back trades this week, and it really does something to your disposition. Typically, my risk management plan says that when you win, you're going to make around $30. This is with an investment of $5,000, but investing $1,000 each trade. And then if you lose about 20%. This is at 3% and 2%. That's my profit and stop targets. And over the long run, because I'm winning more than I'm losing, and if my system produces at least 50%, I should come out ahead if I stuck to these targets, which I just told you I did not do that, and ended up losing, instead of $20, I lost $100. All because I wanted to be right, and all because I didn't want to lose any money. So in conclusion, what we've talked about was holding on to your positions for too long and being emotionally attached to your money as being major mistakes that all traders make, and you will make them too. And both of them are tied together. you hold your trades for too long because you don't want to lose any money. You're just you want to be a winner all the time. You expect to be a winner all the time. Not going to happen. A good trade risk management plan will let you not worry about losing because your losses are so small. It takes a lot of stress out of you, and most of the time I stick to it. So having a good trading plan and a good risk management plan will help you be a winning trader. Now, if you can only follow your plan, very hard to do. Hey, thanks a lot. Please like and subscribe. Videos will get better as we get more smoother. I'm having trouble producing the videos because I'm not familiar with all the technology, but I'm getting there. So stay with me. Thank you.